Welcome. Today we're diving into a fascinating technique from the world of technical analysis, squaring time in a prior trend with the price range of the current trend, using the square of 9. This method, rooted in the legendary work of W.D. Gann, helps traders identify key turning points in the market by aligning time and price. Whether you're new to Gann analysis or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to square time and price can give you a unique edge. Let's start by exploring the basic requirements and why this approach matters in modern trading. Apply this technique, you'll need three key pieces of information: the number of trading days or calendar days in the prior trend and the price range of the current swing. These data points are essential for calculating the relationship between time and price. You can measure the price range in several ways: close to close, height to low, or even close to high or low. The flexibility in measurement allows you to adapt the method to your preferred analysis style. Gathering accurate data is the first step toward meaningful results. Core part of the square of 9 technique is converting both price and time into degrees. This transformation allows you to compare seemingly unrelated values on a common scale. Once you know how to convert these numbers, the rest of the process becomes much more straightforward. The real challenge lies in deciding which price or price range to use and when to convert natural prices into 3 digits. Mastering this step is crucial for accurate analysis and successful application. Selecting the correct data for your calculations is vital. The period from July 2002 through January 2003 is often used as a case study because it features clear, sharp swings in many indexes. This makes it ideal for backtesting and practicing the square of 9 technique. By working with well-defined trends, you can better understand how the method works and gain confidence before applying it to current markets. Always ensure your data is clean and representative of the market conditions you want to analyze. Let's look at Chart 7, which shows the daily SPX cash for the selected period. The price and time ranges are measured from high to low for each swing, revealing significant trading opportunities. By analyzing these swings, you can see how the square of 9 technique highlights periods of high potential. The number of points traveled in each swing demonstrates the method's ability to capture major market moves. Visualizing this data helps solidify your understanding of the process. Charts 8 and 9 provide a closer look at specific time periods within Chart 7. By focusing on smaller segments, you can observe how price and time interact on a more granular level. This detailed view allows for a deeper understanding of the squaring process and helps identify precise moments when price and time align. Such insights are invaluable for traders seeking to fine-tune their entry and exit strategies. From the starting point to point A, there was a swing of 22 trading days. If you were analyzing the market at the close of point B, you measure the close-to-close price range from A to B and convert that into degrees. For example, a price range of 185.94 points equals 70 degrees, while 22 trading days convert to 259 degrees. Comparing these values helps determine if price and time are squared, which can signal a potential market turning point. In the example, a 9-degree separation from a multiple of 90 degrees is too much to call it a squaring. However, using close to low numbers, the swing measures 186.9 points or 76 degrees. The difference between 259 and 76 is 183 degrees, which is within an acceptable 3-degree separation. This small margin indicates a strong alignment between price and time, reinforcing the significance of precise calculations in this technique. Most examples use rounded numbers for simplicity. You can quickly convert any number up to 225 into degrees using a static numbers to degrees table. This tool streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on analysis rather than calculation. Once you gather the raw data, the conversion and comparison steps take only seconds, making the square of 9 technique both efficient and practical for real-time trading. Point C, the price range on a closing basis is 162.11 points, converting to just over 266 degrees. The prior swing lasted 33 trading days, which equals 89 degrees. Subtracting these gives 177 degrees, placing the price and time within a few degrees of a perfect square at an offset of 180 degrees. This close alignment is a hallmark of effective squaring and can be a powerful signal for traders. When the difference between price and time degrees is close to 180 or 360, the squaring is considered especially strong. In the example, 266 minus 89 equals 177, just 3 degrees away from 180. If the offset is exactly 180 or 360 degrees, the signal is even more significant. Recognizing these key angles is essential for maximizing the predictive power of the square of 9. Art 9 offers additional examples of squaring price and time. Point D, the prior swing was 35 calendar days, and the price range was about 63 points. Converting these 35 days equals 120 degrees and 63 points equals 124 degrees, resulting in a 4-degree separation from unity or 360 degrees. This demonstrates the technique's consistency across different time frames and price ranges. Point E, the squaring is even tighter. Here, 30 calendar days convert to 41 degrees and 56 points convert to 42 degrees. The difference is just 1 degree, almost a perfect square at 360 degrees. Such close alignment is rare and highly valuable for traders seeking precise entry or exit points. It highlights the potential accuracy of the square of 9 when applied carefully. Many traders have shelves full of books on trading and technical analysis, but few delve deeply into W.D. Gann's methods. References to squaring price and time are often simplified, such as if price travels 90 points in 90 days. However, the square of 9 offers a much more nuanced and powerful approach. Understanding Gann's legacy can open new doors in your trading journey. One of the most exciting aspects of the square of 9 is its predictive power. Because the number of trading or calendar days in the prior swing is fixed, you can use this information to forecast future price ranges that will square with time. By consulting the static numbers to degrees table, you can identify which price ranges align with specific time degrees, giving you a roadmap for potential market moves. Once you know the starting price of the current swing and the degree value for the prior swing's time, you can create a list of future prices that will complete the square. This proactive approach allows you to monitor daily price bars and see if any contain a price that completes the squaring. It's a systematic way to stay ahead of the market and anticipate key turning points. Remember, the perfect squaring price could occur anywhere between the high and low of a price bar. The high, low, and close each represent specific moments in time, and the price that completes the square might not be the closing price. This contained within concept is crucial for accurate analysis and ensures you don't overlook potential squaring events. Analysis becomes more complex when you add 90-degree offsets. These offsets allow for additional squaring opportunities, expanding the list of price ranges that can align with time. For example, you might include numbers that fall on 131, 221, or 311-degree angles. Even a shorter list, focusing on the 180-degree offset at 221 degrees, can yield valuable insight. During the July 2002 to January 2003 period, all observed squaring events occurred at either 360 or 180 degrees. While this may not always be the case, it demonstrates the method's consistency in certain market environments. Recognizing these patterns can help you adapt the technique to different market conditions and improve your trading outcomes. Applying the square of 9 technique in real time requires discipline and attention to detail. Start by gathering accurate data, convert it to degrees, and compare the results. Use tools like the static numbers to degrees table to speed up your calculations. With practice, you'll be able to spot squaring opportunities quickly and confidently. Backtesting is an excellent way to master the square of 9 technique. By applying the method to historical data, you can see how well it predicts market movements and refine your approach. The period from July 2002 to January 2003 is a great starting point, but don't hesitate to test other time frames and markets. The more you practice, the more intuitive the process becomes. Be aware of common pitfalls when using the square of 9. Relying on inaccurate data, miscalculating degrees, or overlooking the contained within concept can lead to missed opportunities or false signals. Always double-check your work and remain flexible in your analysis. Learning from mistakes is part of the journey toward mastery. Several tools can help streamline your square of 9 analysis. The static numbers to degrees table is invaluable for quick conversions. Charting software with degree overlays can also make the process more visual and intuitive. Don't hesitate to use spreadsheets or custom scripts to automate repetitive calculations and free up time for deeper analysis. The square of 9 technique works well alongside other technical analysis methods. Combining it with trend lines, moving averages, or momentum indicators can provide additional confirmation and improve your trading decisions. The more tools you have in your toolkit, the better equipped you'll be to navigate complex markets. Imagine you're analyzing a current market swing. You've identified the prior trend's duration and the current price range. By converting both to degrees and comparing the results, you spot a near-perfect square at 360 degrees. This alignment suggests a potential reversal or continuation depending on the broader market context. Acting on these signals can help you capture significant moves. Trading is a journey of continuous improvement. As you gain experience with the square of 9, you'll develop a deeper intuition for when price and time are likely to square. Keep refining your approach, stay curious, and never stop learning. The markets are always evolving, and so should your strategies. W.D. Gann's work remains influential for a reason. His methods, including the square of 9, offer unique insights into market behavior. By studying his techniques and applying them thoughtfully, you can uncover patterns that others might miss. Embrace the challenge of learning from one of trading's great pioneers. Don't limit yourself to a single market or time frame. The square of 9 can be applied to stocks, indexes, commodities, and more. Experiment with different data sets and see how the technique performs across various conditions. The broader your experience, the more versatile and effective your analysis will become. Let's recap the key steps. Gather accurate data, convert price and time to degrees, compare the results, and look for alignments near 180 or 360 degrees. Use tools like the static numbers to degrees table for efficiency, and always consider the broader market context. With practice, these steps will become second nature. Square of 9 technique for squaring time in a prior trend with the price range of the current trend is a powerful tool for traders. By mastering this method, you can gain deeper insights into market cycles and improve your timing. Continue exploring related techniques, backtest your ideas, and integrate what you've learned into your trading plan. The journey to mastery is ongoing, but every step brings you closer to trading success.